Microgreens are tiny plants that are harvested when they are young and tender. They are packed with nutrients and have gained popularity in recent years due to their health benefits. In this video, we will explore what microgreens are and why they are beneficial. Microgreens are the tiny, edible plants that are harvested within 7 to 14 days of germination. They are smaller than baby greens and bigger than sprouts. They are packed with flavor, aroma, and nutrition. You can grow microgreens from almost any seed like broccoli, kale, spinach, peas, and more. Microgreens are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can have numerous health benefits. These tiny plants are rich in vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients, making them a great addition to any diet. They are known to reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Microgreens can be used in a variety of ways. They add a burst of flavor and color to any dish. You can add them to salads, sandwiches, smoothies, soups, and even use them as a garnish. Microgreens can also be used in cooking to enhance the flavor of your dishes.